once again to the launch of Samsung's array of new technological products built to give consumers a comfortable and extraordinary experience. Tonight, as we have unveiled to Ghanaian our innovative electronic devices, we would like to welcome you to a new world of innovation. Our aim to continue to make your daily lives better and easier with cutting-edge technology as you enjoy home living, working, and experiencing life in the best form. Ladies and gentlemen, Samsung TV has been constantly paving the path for the technological innovation by offering consumers a new experience and a further for global electronics industry. This is the core driving force that makes Samsung number one in the world of technology. Once again,
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, and you just pull it slightly, and it should open.